BabyBus.
Yo-ho! Yo-ho! Out of my way!
Hey, don't you know that's dangerous?
We're the fastest on the street! Out of my way! Oh no! Why is the sign here? Ouch! Aha! I have a good idea. Hey, follow me. Let's mess around. Change the traffic sign. Do it secretly. Let's hide and wait. This is so much fun. He's so funny. Hey, follow me. Let's mess around. Hide the caution sign. Do it secretly. Let's hide and wait. Who's gonna be the poor guy? Oh no! Who did this? He's so funny. We're troublemakers. We love to mess around. Police cars coming. What do we do? Show him what we can do. I can't wait to see him get into trouble. You'll never catch us. Na 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 boom boom. Ouch! What's going on? No, 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 no.
Ha 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 ha! Now I got
you. Another caution sign.
You moved the signs on the street and put everyone in danger. You're under arrest.
Sorry, we'll never do that again.
He's so cool. Let's play cops and robbers. Okay. Catch me if you can. Stop right there.
Little blue car, do-do-la-do-la, playing the police, just do-la-do-la. He's so brave, he has no fear. Do-do-la-do-la, do-do-la. Oh no, be careful! Slow, 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 old car. So slow! Slow, 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 old car. So slow! Slow, 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 old car. So slow! Let's get the robber! Go, go, go! Cops and robbers game, yo ho ho! Little yellow car, playing the robber. He has a funny idea. Hee ha ha, wah ha ha.
Aha, that's it.
Huff, huff, puff.
You can't catch me!
Oh, stop right there, thief!
I can still drive.
I love driving.
That car is stuck in the mud.
Oh no! Luca, let's help him!
Okay.
Thank you.
No, problem.
I think you'd better come with us to the repair shop. Wow!
Yeah! Are you Police Car Boca?
Boca? My idol superhero Boca? My goodness, it's the superhero Boca!
Here comes the superhero. Great police car, Boca. Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there. Wheel, 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 wheel. The superhero. Police car, Boca. Police car,
Wow! You're great!
But my parts are worn out. I'm not strong anymore. It's okay. We'll get you upgraded. Haha!
Yeah!
Super Police Car Boca!
Here comes the superhero. Great police car, Boca. Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there. Wheel, 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 wheel. The superhero. Police car, Boca. Police car, Boca. Here comes the superhero. Great police car, Boca. Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there. Wheel, 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 wheel. The superhero. Police car, Boca. Police car, Boca.
Woohoo! Thank you for upgrading me. Now I can go after bad guys again.
You're welcome.
We're happy that we can help.
Super Police Car Boca! Super Police Car Boca!
Huh? Oh no! Out of gas! Huh? Oh good! It's a gas station!
Welcome to our station. I'm a robot gas pumper. Come this way, police car. Let me help you now. Plug, 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 plug. Now you have a full tank. Welcome to our station. I'm a robot gas pumper. Come this way, ambulance. Let me help you now. Glug, 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 glug. Now you have a full tank.
Great! Ambulance, ambulance, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Ambulance, ambulance, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo.
Welcome to our station. I'm a robot gas pumper. Come this way, fire truck. Let me help you now.
It's an emergency! Please hurry up!
Glug, 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 glug. Now you have a full tank.
Let's go!
Fire truck, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Fire truck, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo.
Welcome to our station. I'm a robot gas pumper. Come this way, little car.
I need your help. The truck is out of ice cream.
Glug, 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 glug. Now you have a full tank.
Hey ha! Hey hey! Hey ha! Hey ha! Ha ha!
Hi, Harry. I see you're working out again.
Ha! Hey! Ha! Ha! Hey ha! 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 Of course, fire trucks need to be strong.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look over there! Oh no! Oil is leaking out of the tanker truck!
Luca, ask him to stop right there.
Okay! Hey, tanker truck! Your oil is leaking! What? How did it happen? Ouch!
Stop right now, tanker truck!
What do I do? What do I do?
Fire, fire, it's a fire! Tanker truck, carrying oil. Danger, danger, help me right now!
I think we can handle that. Let's go help him.
Hurry, hurry, get the fire extinguisher. Aim at the fire and spray, spray, spray.
Yay! The fire is out!
It didn't go out.
No, 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 it's empty.
Call the fire truck.
Hurry up, fire truck! We need your help.
Right away.
Let's stop the leak first.
Okay.
Fire, fire, it's a fire. Water hose, spray, spray, spray.
Oh no! The fire is getting bigger.
No, 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 I don't understand.
Never spray water on a fire caused by leaking oil.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm scared.
Nina, Nina, fire truck.
The fire truck is here.
Fire truck, putting out the fire. La 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 la. Hey, hey. La 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 la. Fire truck, putting out the fire. La 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 la. Hey, hey. La 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 la. fire truck, putting out the fire.
Yay! The fire is all out! Oh! Harry, you're so strong!
Haha! That's because I work out every day.
Yahoo! I'm Supercar! Yay! I'm flying! Supercar! Go, go, go!
Oh no! Are you alright?
It hurts so much.
Don't worry.
We'll take you to the repair shop.
Please wait here and don't wander off.
Well, let me tell you something. Okay. Hey, little friends. I have some yummy juice for you. And some yummy candy, too. Don't you want some? Here you go. Oh, no, you guys are hurt. Well, why don't you come to my repair shop?
I will. Kiki and Mew Mew said.
I can fix you way better than Kiki and Mew Mew can. It's a piece of cake. Come on, let's go. Don't worry. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Yeah. I'm a mechanic, tra-la-la-la-la, an excellent mechanic, tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Let me take a look. No, 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 no. I don't like it, don't like it. I'm so ugly. Wow.
This way.
This way.
Bye.
I'm a mechanic. Tra-la-la-la-la. An excellent mechanic. Tra-la-la-la-la.
Let me take a look. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Like a rainbow. Don't be so sad. Follow me.
Back up, back up. I'm a mechanic, tra-la-la-la-la, an excellent mechanic, tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Let me take a look. Oh no! No, 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 no! I'm not happy, not happy. I'm not happy. Wow!
Huh. I'm a mechanic. Tra-la-la-la-la. An excellent mechanic. Tra-la-la-la-la-la.
Let me take a look. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm so happy, so happy.
Yeah.
Bye. Ouch. Don't cry, don't cry. Follow me.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Thank you, Kiki and Mew
The steering wheel's out of control.
going on?
Oh,
Zach, something's wrong with Luca.
What? I think we need to give Luca a checkup.
okay.
Oh, look at this x-ray. Many of his parts are worn out. Let's help Luca upgrade his parts together.
Sounds great!
Can I choose how to upgrade myself?
Of course.
Wow!
Choose your favorite design.
Wow! I'm so excited! I want to look so cool. I want flashing lights. I want big tires. Come on, I want all of you. Oh, help me look so cool and become stronger too. Hey! Shark car can't move.
It's okay. Choose another design.
I want to look so cool. I want flashing lights. I want big tires. Come on, I want all of you. Oh, help me look so cool and become stronger too. Guys, I need your help.
Don't worry.
Leave it to us.
Put on super arms.
Super arms. Put on a super hooked arm.
A super hooked arm.
Put in a strong engine. A strong engine.
Come on, my new friends, time to change, into a monster car, a powerful monster car. Oh, monster car. Oh, monster car. I'm a monster car, a powerful monster car. I'm a monster car, a powerful monster car.
Great! Thanks, Luca. You're amazing!
Hey! Ha!
Yay!
Wow!
Fire truck, you're so cool!
Hey! I want to be a fire truck too! I'm Naughty! Bad car! Firefighting missions! What's so hard? I can be a super fire truck too! Ha! I am brave enough to help others too! Hey! Watch this, everything's so easy for me! Nothing's hard, so easy! I can be a super fire truck too! Ha! I am brave enough to help others too! Hey! Watch this, everything's so easy for me! Nothing's hard, so easy! I'm cool! Bad car! Firefighting missions! What's so hard? Uh-oh. I can be a super fire truck too. I am brave enough to help others too. Hey! Watch this, everything's so easy for me. Oh no, 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 I'm in trouble. What should I do?
Mommy, help me!
Fire truck, please help my child! You're not a fire truck! Somebody help!
I'm Super Fire Truck. Got a new mission. Gotta go right now. Firefighting missions are not that easy. Ready to help others. Always be careful. Nothing to be scared of. Come on, let's go. Here I come, Super Fire Truck. Hey!
Thank you, fire truck!
Ow! Help! I'll never pretend to be a fire truck again.
Yeah, checkup day! My first checkup day! Yeah. Oh? Huh? Huh?
The next car is Toot Toot. Oh, wait! He has dropped his side mirror. It's dangerous to drive without one. Let's go find Toot Toot.
Okay. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go. No, no, no.
Huh? He must be close by.
The lights on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The lights on the bus go. No, no, no.
Huh? He's over there.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus go. My door is broken.
No, no, no.
My brakes aren't working. The person
Regular checkups help you find out if there's anything wrong with your body.
I see.
You'll be fine, Toot Toot.
The checkup is all done. Yay! I'll be the first one to arrive on the next checkup day.
Okay.